Hello, I am Rahul Meena, and today I stand before you to discuss two pivotal moment in the journey toward the gender equality and reproductive right in India. The Supreme Court's landmark judgment in the case of Umadevi versus Government of Tamil Nadu, delivered on May 23, 25. So basically, Miss Uma Devi, a dedicated government school teacher in the Tamil Nadu, and embarked on a new chapter in her life after a previous marriage that ended in divorce in 2017. She had two children from her first marriage, and both of whom remained in the custody of their father. In 2018, Miss Uma Devi remained and remarried, and in 2021 became pregnant with her first child from this union. So, seeking to avail of maternity leave from August 2021 to May 2022, she appealed to the appropriate authorities. However, her request was denied based on the Fundamental Rule 101A of Tamil Nadu government, which restricts maternity leave benefit to women with favor than to surviving children. So, challenging this denial, Ms. Uma Devi approached the Madras High Court. A single judge ruled in her favor, recognizing her right to maternity leave. However, this decision was overturned by a division bench which upheld the state's interpretation of rule. Uh, Undeterred, Ms. Uma Devi appealed to the Supreme Court of India. The apex court's verdict was resounding affirmation of women's reproductive rights. So, Supreme Court's ruling, the Supreme Court held that first one is maternity leave as a constitutional right. Okay, so maternity leave is not merely a statutory benefit but is a also fundamental aspect of women's reproductive right, and it's protect under the Article 21 of the Indian Constitution, which guarantees the uh, right to life and personal liberty. And second one is interpretation of surviving children. The term surviving children should be understood in the context of children under the care and custody of the woman. Since Miss Uma Devi, two children from her previous marriage were in their father's custody, she effectively had no surviving children in her care at the time of her application. And third was the balancing state policy and individual rights while acknowledging the state's interest in the population control. The court emphasized that such policies must be harmonized with the individual constitutional rights. Denying the maternity benefit in the context would unjustly penalize women for the circumstance beyond their control. And this judgment sets a precedent that first one is affirms women's autonomy, recognize and upholds the a woman's autonomy over her reproductive choice, ensuring that her rights are not um, curtailed by the rigid administrative rules. Second one is promotes gender equality, reinforces the principle that workplace policies must adapt the diverse realities of women's life, promoting inclusivity and equality, uh, guides future policies, serves as a guiding light for the policymaker to frame laws and regulations that sensitive to the complexity of modern family structure. So, of all of this, that conclude that The Umadevi case is more than a legal victory. It is a testament of the resilience of a woman and the progressive realization of their rights in India. It underscores the importance of interpreting laws through a lens of compensation, equity, and the constitutional morality. So let's celebrate this milestone and continue to uh, advocate for a society where every woman can exercise rights freely and without any fear. Thank you.